everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to do this really short tutorial of just a natural everyday beauty face. This is considered to be a full glam. I did show you guys my brows in another video, so don't forget to check out my brow tutorial during this vlogmas, but this is the entire face. I will be showing you guys every single step. The lashes that I'm wearing are my autumn lashes from my brand. I really love these lashes. And don't forget to shop www.glambyasia.org. If you're new here, my name is Asia. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. You guys stay tuned for this glorious look, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so starting out with the 340 in Cappuccino. This is the Fit Me Poreless and Matte Primer. This is my shade that I typically use. I will be using it as foundation, but going in with the Coolest 10 LA Pro Girl Concealer, I'm going to be starting off by concealing. So I showed you guys the foundation because after I conceal, I go back in, contour, and I also add foundation. Under my eyes, I will be using one layer of this Cool 10. And then I'm going to be using that foundation on top of the Cool 10 after I, make sure that it's all smooth. And I'll be showing you guys everything that I'm using. If you didn't watch my eyebrow tutorial, you could go ahead and check that out. That video should be up. And this is the everyday makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you guys my entire process beyond the brows. In that video, I did tell you guys about this flat brush. Like I said before, if you guys would like a tutorial on that, I can show you that. But I did get this from another makeup artist, and it really has guided me. It really has guided me through the process of smoothing things out, shaping, like everything. So if you want to see this brush making process, just comment down below, and I will be adding that in a different video. But after I smooth everything out, I will be using my Black Radiance foundation stick. These foundation sticks are super creamy. So if you like the brand Black Radiance, I suggest getting their foundation sticks. I also suggest their contour palettes as well. But to contour, I'll be using these foundation sticks in 6824. I also have 6825. Sometimes I use that as well. But the 6824, it really just brings out my natural color and adds just a little bit. So I just added just a little bit of darkness, and then in between that, I'm using that foundation that I showed you guys at first. To blend, I will be using a damp beauty blender from Real Techniques. It's my favorite beauty blender to use, and I made sure that I had some moisture on it. Going in first with the concealer, because like I said, this is my first layer concealer. I will be adding another layer. Then after the concealer, I'm going into the foundation, and then after the foundation, I will be buffing out that contour. In this particular tutorial, because it is more natural, I did not add that second layer of contour or any powdered contour, but in any other tutorial that you see, you might see me add those different layers for more dramatic effect. So right now, you just want to be making sure that you blend your life away, blend every shade that you added together, and make sure that it is a cool ombre effect with no lines of demarcation, and make sure that you can't tell the difference between your concealer and your foundation, like where it lays on your face. If you do want your eyes to be a little bit lighter, I will show you guys that second layer, but if not, you can stop right here and just go ahead and follow along up into the powdering part and making sure that everything is staying in place. But for my girlies who really like a lighter under eye, I will be adding another layer of concealer. So young and naive of me to think she
from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Too naive to believe that with me.
Y'all be blending out y'all foundation. Make sure y'all lift up and get that neck. Get the neck, honey, because y'all neck and y'all face should be matching. Concealer, I will be using the color Creamy Beige. That's the second layer of concealer that I'm referring to that makes it very, very light. You want to go in with the lightest shade you have, or at least 2 to 3 shades lighter than what you are. And you want to go ahead in with that second layer to make it really light under your eyes. But you're going to have to blend this very, very well. And you only want to put a small amount in select spots. You notice how I didn't really squeeze a whole lot out like I did the first time. You want to make sure that you only do a select amount with the lightest shade, because the lightest shade can really make or break your makeup. You honestly could go too light with this, and I definitely don't want you guys out here looking crazy, but definitely take a few layers of that. I let mine sit and oxidize for just a moment after I apply, and then I go in with that wet beauty blender to make sure that everything is blended out very well. So I will be going in and blending once more before I add some setting powder.
Help me sing it out. I'm spinning with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. How to make it. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I'll never disappoint myself. I cry. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again.
Okay, so now that we're looking right, we're going to go in and start setting. Now to set, I do use the Glam Pro. I've honestly tried the Airspun, I've tried the Morphe powder, I've tried the powders. If y'all have any other powder besides the Glam Pro, please let me know. But this is the best translucent powder that I've tried in a while. I did get this from Ulta, so I'm using a Real Techniques cheek brush. That is like a holy grail brush, y'all. Y'all gotta grab that Real Techniques cheek brush. If y'all don't grab any other Real Techniques product, I do recommend the cheek brush, the face brush, and that beauty sponge that I've been using. But I'm just using a little bit of that powder, and I'm pressing the powder into under my eyes, on my nose, in my middle of my forehead, up under my contour. You really don't have to do under your contour. I do prefer to do under my contour just because that's what I like to do, but you do not have to, but it does bring a little bit more of a dramatic effect. And to wipe everything off and to make everything a little bit more bronze, up under the powder, I will be using the Juvia's Place bronze palette, and this is the volume tan. I really like this one. This is my first time using that Juvia's Place palette. And for the blush, I will be using Juvia's Place as well. Juvia's Place has really came a long way from just eyeshadows, so I do recommend their products as well, especially for my brown color girls.
Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong because I feel like I
I get a little bit too carried away when it comes to blending, but there's never enough blending. Make sure you blend, especially after you put that powder on there, because you don't want to look casket ready, and you definitely don't want to look like Casper. So make sure all of that powder is off of there. Make sure that everything is blended out. I'll be going in with my Volume 2 Juvia's Place brush palette. This is my first time using this blush as well. Very great consistency powder wise. I really like that. I'm really going to start trying new stuff. I know I said this is a everyday makeup tutorial, but these are the only 2 products that I've tried for the first time, and I have not been disappointed in them. So if you like Juvia's Place and you want to give them a try, I do recommend trying their blush and their bronzer palette. Okay, so right now I'm going to be doing a highlighter part. While I'm doing the highlighter part, I will be putting together my TikTok that I did to get this lip combo. So don't forget to, check that out. With my highlight right now, this is the MAC Global Glow. I just got a random fluffy brush, no special name. Enhance your glow. I use the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. I also have the Mario Bascucci, whatever his name is. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Y'all know Mario. So, I doubt I'll be going anywhere, but yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Happy Vlogmas!